multiplication and division. So let's first talk about multiplication. If you have two fractions and you are multiplying these two fractions, we always multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And make sure you simplify your final solution. For example, so let's try to simplify this expression. It is y square plus 5y plus 6 over 2y multiplied by 5y divided by y square plus 4y plus 3. So numerator will be multiplied with the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. So here, instead of using this cross sign, I'm going to use dot for the multiplication, because cross sign it's a little bit confusing with the variable x. So in the numerator we will have y square plus 5y plus 6 and times by 5y, and in the denominator we have 2y y squared plus 4y plus 3. So now, is there anything common, common factors in the numerator and denominator? Yes, we see that this y and this y, they are combined with the other factors using the multiplication sign, so we can cancel out these two y's. But we cannot cancel out y squared with y squared, because this y squared is combined with two other terms, and this is one factor. We can try if you can factor this polynomial and this polynomial. Let's see. So factor this quadratic polynomial. This will give you y plus, because this is a y variable, so use the same variable. It is y plus 2 and y plus 3 in the numerator, and there is 5 here, and in the denominator we have 2 here. And let's try to write the factors of this. It is y plus 3 and y plus 1. Now you see that there are 3 factors in the numerator, 3 factors in the denominator, and this factor is common between both numerator and denominator. So we will cancel that out, and we get 5 times y plus 2 in the numerator and 2 times y plus 1 in the denominator. Now ask yourself, is there anything common that you can cancel out? If yes, then cancel that out, further simplify it. If not, then say that this is your final simplified version. So this is how we multiply two fractions and simplify our final solution. And for division, let's talk about now dividing rational expression. If you are dividing two rational expressions, the trick here is first change the division sign to multiplication and flip the fraction that comes right after the sign, d over c. Now this problem becomes multiplication problem, and we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. This is our solution, and make sure you simplify our final solution. So let's do one practice problems where we will use the division. So let's do this example. X square minus 1 over x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 over 2. So first change this division sign to multiplication and flip this fraction. So we will write this as x squared minus 1 over x plus 3 times by, I'm going to use dot for the time. I change the division sign to multiplication and I'm going to flip the fraction. Now numerators will be multiplied with the numerators. So we get x squared minus 1 times 2 divided by x plus 3 and x minus 1. So now can we cancel out any factor? Right now we cannot, but let's try to factor this x squared minus 1, because x squared minus 1 can be seen as x squared minus 1 square, and it is a difference of 2 squares. we can write this as the product of two same factors with the opposite sign in the middle, x minus 1 times by x plus 1 times by 2, and in the denominator we have x plus 3 and x minus 1. You see that this factor is same as this factor, so we can cancel that out from both the numerator and denominator. We are left with x plus 1 in the numerator and x plus 3 in the denominator. This is how we multiply and divide fractions.